Hey guys, and welcome to my new live stream. Here I will show you what's inside one of my smallest sketchbooks ever. So here I have a couple of interior sketches and fashion drawings as well as urban sketches. So if you're excited to see what's inside of my small little sketchbook, then stay with me till the very end of this live stream. So currently I'm, hi Arbir, let me know if you can hear me and if you can see me well. Hi Dana Cherk. So I'll rotate my camera now and I'll show you what's inside. So right now I'm sitting in this cool cafe in Auckland, New Zealand. Hi Erica and hi Augustine. And I want to drink my coffee, but first I'd love to share with you what's inside of my interior sketchbook. Hi Suprasandra, hi Irama. So let me share with you a couple of drawings. So this particular one I did with a black liner. This is like a sunroom, and you can see there are a lot of arcs happening here, right? By the way, let me know if you would love to draw with me an interior of a cafe. Let me know in the comments and maybe I'll create a really cool live stream on this topic. Hi, Beyond Landscape. So the next sketch, this one I did for Halloween. It's like a Halloween sketchbook. Next one, this is bed, interior of bedroom in 2-point perspective. So here I used this pencil. By the way, if you're interested what kind of pencils are my favorite and what materials I use, so this one is from Blackwing Pearl. But if you want an entire list of materials, of my favorite materials, please visit my website schoolofsketching.com/resources. So this sketch was done only by using pencil and it's in 2-point perspective. This is like a quick, really quick urban sketch. I also did it in a cafe because, you know, when I'm working from my home office or from an office that I rent in the city center of Auckland, sometimes I feel like that my brain needs to be recharged and refreshed, so I need to go to some local cafe and revive my brain. Hi Yelena Kuruchkina. Hi Sunny Mans. So the next sketch is this one again is from the local cafe. I really love quick sketches of people and urban spaces. By the way, today I'm also going to sketch this cup of coffee. Let me know in the comments where you're watching me from, because I'm now recording this from Auckland, New Zealand. Hi Uzma. So this is a regular 1-point perspective drawing. If you are not familiar with perspective drawing, with the basics of perspective, I want to welcome you to join my free video course on perspective basics. It's available on my website, schoolofsketching.com. Probably you've seen this sketch in my feed. This is right, like a red chair with a mirror. So this is a 2-point perspective. And here I used a regular pencil and one red marker, as you can see. I really do love this minimalistic approach to sketches. I love using very limited amount of materials, like a pencil, a couple of markers, or simply one liner. My favorite one, I also very often ask what is my favorite marker brand and liner brand. I really do love Copics and touch markers. So this sketch, it's in pencil only. This one is it's also frontal perspective interior, but chairs here, they are rotated in 2-point perspective. Highlight interiors. As you can see, I even did a quiz on my Instagram regarding this sketch, and I asked you guys how many materials do you think I used for this sketch, and the correct answer, hi Moshe, the correct answer is only 3. So here I actually used this pencil, regular pencil, then I used brown marker and black marker, and that's it. So literally 3 materials. This one I did before Christmas. It's like an unfinished Christmas sketch. This is a bedroom again in 2-point perspective. This was a sketch commission. I don't know why, but I really love drawing bedroom interiors. This is one of my favorite topics. Let me show you some details. And you can see that this sketchbook, it's really small. It's not bigger than a hand. So it's really very handy. You can put it in any bag, even very, very small bag. So it's one of my favorite things to have always with me, because it really encourages drawing process, sketching on the go, sketching while I'm in a cafe and waiting for my coffee. It helps me. This couple of minutes helps me to train my hand. Hi Cecilia, hi Angie L. Huang, hi everybody, hi Marionetto, hi Fiol P. So probably you've seen this sketch on my YouTube channel because I recorded it as a live stream, a Christmas card tutorial. So before next Christmas, probably you will want to make a hand drawing Christmas card for your loved ones. So remember to check out my YouTube School of Sketching. So also couple of oh yeah, and we are switching to fashion sketch. So this sketch I did literally a couple of days ago, 9th of February. It's from Takapuna Beach, like a nice cool architecture. And this is architecture by Simon Carnahan Architecture, and I wanted to check their website. And here at the very back of my sketchbook I have a couple of fashion drawings. Even though I was trained as an interior designer, so my background is 6 years in interior architecture, so I'm an MA in interior architecture. I studied interior design in the best Russian art academy in St. Petersburg, Russia. So, but I find it also very, very interesting to draw people, human beings. I really love style and fashion sketching, and I also have courses not only on interior design drawing for beginners and advanced, but also courses on fashion sketching for beginners.
I feel embarrassed because I really don't do anything. I just tune up.
And this is the final sketch in my super small sketchbook. This is like a little composition with a figure and a profile view. Hi Karolsa, hi Dark Wine. And that's it for this sketchbook. So this one was from Hönkemölle, this cock. So yes, I plan to sketch this cup of coffee and to go through a couple of design magazines and this Banksy magazine. There was an exhibition on Banksy a couple of months ago here in Auckland, New Zealand. If you don't know who Banksy is, he's an amazing graffiti artist based in London. Nobody knows how Banksy actually looks like. So I really love his art. I really love his approach and meaning behind his drawings. And this is one of my favorite style and design, interior design and fashion design magazines based here in New Zealand. So this is like a New Zealand Vogue. All right, my dear creatives, I hope you enjoyed this little live stream. As you noticed, I also finished my sketchbook, there are literally a couple of blank pages. So when it's fully completed, I will record an HD video for my YouTube channel, School of Sketching. So subscribe to my YouTube, and you will get new inspirational videos on interior sketching every week, because I post here new videos weekly. If you have any questions,